Hello everyone and welcome to RhinoGold training level 1. In this tutorial we're going to see how to work with the dynamic array tool, okay? This tool is the same as all array tools is used for repeat objects along anything. But as we've seen, there's different kinds of arraying, and in this video we're going to learn how to use a dynamic array tool, okay? So let's come here to transform panel and click on dynamic array. Select our object to array, curve that I want to array on this one, for example, here. Okay, so now let's see what can we do. We can add more number of copies. Okay, yes, we can change the position of my objects like this, over them or in the middle of my line. Good. We can change the distance between objects like this, for example, like this, and add more number of copies. Okay, this way. We can move objects by normal. It does mean offset them or inset them like this, for example. Okay, well, so now let's see how can we do the same but with surface. Okay, what we're going to do now is the same as we did before. We're going to click here in dynamic array, select the object, select the curve, and select the surface. Okay, as you can see, my first stone is placed here. If I wanted to match center to start point, here I can place this button and activate this parameter. So now I can carry on placing stones, well, objects, and modify the distance between them like this. Well, I also can, remember, move objects by normal and add more of them like this. I can flip them, clicking here to flip. So we also can do everything the same as we've seen before. Can place them down like this. Can place them on my curve and leave my curve in the middle of my objects. It's always interesting to watch these parameters that we have down here. You see? Well, let's turn to select the object and curves. These curves I've got here. Okay, this one. And what we're going to do here is we're going to change first at all the distance between objects like this, for example. Well, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to place more number of copies like this, and I can move them like you see. I can rotate them. Okay, like this. Well, and I also can activate my gradient mode. Okay, and here we can increase like this. Okay, and for make a second example, I'm gonna take this stone here. Also, we're going to do is we're going to select again stone, click here in dynamic array, select this as the object, select my curve, change my distance between my objects like this, add more copies, 7 for example, and I'm going to change my gradient mode to 3 for example. That is going to mean that it's going to be 3 increase and 3 gradient mode. So let's do this, let's see that. As you see, this is a result that we get. If I change these numbers to the fourth object, it goes on, and from the fourth object till our last object, it goes out. Okay, so it goes gradient we see it increasing here and gradient there. So this is the last part that we had to see about dynamic array. And now that's all, and thanks for watching.